guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bags. Prices, SKU, launch date, and features will be featured here. So ready your phone to take a screenshot and kindly check with your CAs for availabilities and pre-orders. So I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @Rabier52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! I'm very happy to share upcoming Louis Vuitton bags that will be launching March and April 2024. Prices, SKU features, and launch dates are all included. Kindly take a screenshot, and then for pre-orders and availabilities, kindly check with your CAs. Happy shopping, guys! Alright, let us start first with bags launching March 22nd, 2024. So first we have this very beautiful Pochette Metis. Price is $2,840 USD. We have SKU here. The color is navy and the material is the very beautiful front leather. It comes of course with gold hardware with detachable leather strap. Next, we have in same beautiful material, we have the Felici Pochette. Price is $1,620 USD. So kindly take note that the inserts come in both the front leather and the grain leather. And we're going to see how beautiful the colorway of navy is with the gold hardware. The strap, chain strap is fully detachable, of course. Then we have new bag carry-all size MM, still launching March 22nd. So material is still the very beautiful front leather, but we are noticing that the front leather Louis Vuitton logo is the giant monogram. It would come with bag tag, it comes with shoulder strap, and I love the hobo slouchy bag design. Then we have the Diane bag. So the color of this one, so first we have the navy. Price is $2,300 USD. I love the bicolor of this one. And the main material, of course, is the front or the grain leather. It comes with two straps. We have the shoulder strap and we have a canvas strap. Then we have the Speedy 20 bandolier. Price is €2,300. We have SKU here. So I'm thinking actually, guys, for my collection, I'm guessing it's if I would be purchasing a Speedy, it's either Speedy 25 or the Speedy 20. And then we have the Zippy coin wallet. Price is $755 USD. We have SKU here. So it is a compact wallet, SLG. Then we have a long zippy wallet over here. Price is $905 USD of same colorway, navy and cream in front leather. And then we have this very beautiful small SLG here. Then guys, I would just like to show you again the nautical collection. So first we have the on the go MM. Price is €3,300. So we have better photos now. So as you can see, this is the back portion. In the front, we are seeing that the LV logo is written in ropes. Then, of course, comes with the classic details like the shoulder strap and long shoulder strap for easy carry. Then we have the Kuzan BB. Price is $4,050 USD. Still part of the nautical collection. The material is in leather and the color is in red. Comes with gold chain and strap. The nautical collection is still launching March 22nd, 2024. And then we have the Neverfull MM. Price is €2,100. This is part of the Confetti collection. So material is coated canvas. This is a new design. Comes with detachable pochette of the same material as you can see here. And it comes with vachetta leather trims. Then we have the on-the-go size MM. Price is 2,700 euro. It would come with the bag tag, as you can see here, and the vachetta leather that it comes with is a stark white. As you can see, the interior is like colorway is beige or cream, and this is how it looks like when you're going to close up and zoom in on the new canvas design. Then we have the very beautiful carry all PM. Price is 2,550 euro. We have SKU here, so I am loving that this bag comes with a detachable pouch just like with the Neverfull. So the closure of this one is it's magnetic, and then you are going to tie it up like this. Then we have the Lou wallet, still part of the Confetti collection. Guys, how are you feeling with this new canvas print? Personally, I am loving this colorway. This would be perfect for the upcoming spring-summer 2024. Then we have this very beautiful side trunk PM, launching March 22nd, 2024. The price of this one is 3,950. The color is olive and silver. It would come with silver hardware, and it has very minimal logo, as you're going to see silver stamping of Louis Vuitton in front. Very, very quiet luxury. Then, of course, another side trunk PM. Price is 3,950 euro. We have SKU here. The color of this one is beige, and it is made entirely of leather. I love the contrasting of the yellow gold hardware. I think you just need to be very mindful of the zipper of this one because it's very teeny tiny, so there may be difficulty in getting your bags. Then we have a new design bag, guys. So this is the Louis Vuitton Vibe bag. Price is 2,030 USD. It is made of monogram canvas with vachetta leather trim. As you're going to see, it kind of resembles the Pochette accessoire, but the difference is it has two pockets in front. Then let us check out the new bag charm. So we have the cat ball pouch. Price is 615 euro. So this is made of monogram canvas, and it has like cat stat. Then we have the dream key holder. This one I would choose better. So this is the 980 euro. I love that you could put things inside. Now let us check out the bags launching April. So first we have the Capucines Mini. Price is 7,000 euro. The size is mini. Material is in pink snake skin with silver hardware and detachable strap. As you're going to see, it's like the color is pearlescent, as you can see here. So this is such a collector's piece if you are into exotic skin, especially for the Capucines. So another Capucines Mini. Price is 7,000 euro. We have SKU here. The material or the colorway is the silver holographic snake skin. Wow. So I am imagining if you're going to turn this on direct sunlight or direct light, you are going to see the rainbow effect of this very beautiful material. Then this material would also be made into the petite malle. Price is 7,300 euro. We have SKU here. So you're going to notice that the hardware of this one is entirely of silver. Honestly, guys, the colorway of this holographic snake skin with silver hardware is so me because I love grays. I love anything silver metallic. This is such a beautiful bag. Then we have the low-key collection bag. So first we have the shoulder bag. Price is 2,900 euro. We have SKU here. So the low-key bags would be launching April 12, 2024. It is a hobo bag style. I am actually loving and would love to applaud Louis Vuitton for doing this because as you could see, it's very minimal, no shouty logos. I love, love, love this design. So it would come in the quartz colorway. It is like a dove gray colorway with gold hardware, and look how spacious it is in the inside. So the inside comes like with the suede like interior, and I love, of course, how you're going to open and close this bag. Then of course, if you are a black bag lover just like me, then it would also come in the color noir. Same price of 2,900 euros. Among the three, of course, I would be biased with this colorway. As you can see, the contrasting of the black and gold hardware, really gorgeous. Next on the collection of low-key, we have this very beautiful, very minimal hobo bag. Price is 3,300 euro. It would come in 3 color. So the very first one is in cognac. So as you're going to see here, a very snow Louis Vuitton monogram. Just this gold foil Louis Vuitton stamping in front, which is very small. I am so in love with this one. Even the gold hardware, guys, it's very minimal. So once I have more photos, like for example, the inside, the hardware, I would be sharing on our community wall, so make sure you are subscribed to our channel. So the colorway of this one is in noir, same price of 3,300 euro, launching April 12, 2024. And the last colorway of this very beautiful hobo bag is in limestone, same price of 3,300 euro. We have SKU here, different SKU for 3 different colorway. So this one, as you're going to see, the Louis Vuitton stamping is almost like the same color. So it's like from afar you would not know that this is a new Louis Vuitton bag. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So what did you think of the up-and-coming bags from Louis Vuitton? If you have stayed at this part of this episode, kindly leave me a shopping cart emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! So guys, what are your thoughts regarding the new collection? Are you adding anything to your wish list? Definitely, I would love to hear from you. So kindly comment down below. Before we end our episode, I'm inviting you guys to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @RamiraFi2, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!